All right, so in this section, I'm going to review and kind of reflect upon learning topic 1, and that topic covered the theory of multimedia as well as interactive whiteboards and cell phone polling service like Poll Everywhere. Whenever I think back about this first learning topic, which seems so long ago, it became very clear very early on that one of the key components as educators that we need to think about is using multiple forms of media to try to access the learning styles of a wide variety of students. And so, trying to find the right tools to help out visual learners or auditory learners, and especially with interactive whiteboards, I found early on one of the key components is to treat them as interactive whiteboards and not just a glorified chalkboard. And really the key to using the whiteboard effectively is to get the students to be the ones that are interacting with it. And naturally for the kinesthetic learner, the learner who likes to be hands-on and kind of manipulate things and move things around, and kind of deconstruct and reconstruct things in order to gain and construct their understanding, interactive whiteboards are an incredible tool. I've had an interactive whiteboard every year that I've been a teacher, and I'm sorry to say that I have not been using them as well as I should, and certainly in learning topic 1, that's something that I realized immediately that I was kind of one who would just basically use it the same way I would use a traditional whiteboard. Of course, with the projector system, we project content from the computer screen and go from site to site, and even as a whiteboard, it's more efficient in the sense that you can easily just continue to add page and page and page and then navigate between back and forth. But as far as using it as a way to get students up and moving and interacting with the content, I was certainly underutilizing it in that regard, and so that's something that I've been trying to focus on and will continue to focus on. The Poll Everywhere software that we were introduced to in topic 1 was very interesting. What I liked about it was that it wasn't just a cell phone polling service, that you could also provide links so that a student with a tablet in the classroom or one of the classroom iPads or even a desktop computer could still participate. It wasn't simply a text option. And the other thing that I liked about it was that you could have open responses. Okay, I'm going to have to get down. You could have open responses. It wasn't just a multiple choice, true, false kind of operation. You could allow for some kind of student expression and really get them to be thinking about and expressing what they know in an open-ended way. The other thing that I liked about it was that it would function for any size group. So if you were trying to collect a lot of information about maybe an entire grade level or an entire school, it would be a pretty quick way to gather that data, and then all the features that it came with as far as trying to analyze that data so that we could better interpret it. I thought it was really neat. I haven't used Poll Everywhere software much since that learning topic, but I think that in the future could probably find a pretty good place for it in my instruction. So again, it seemed like right from the get-go it was evident that we're going to be learning and working with a lot of tools and really trying to find ways to get them to work together in order to improve the education of our students. So was excited from right from the first week, and that excitement just carried through the entire course. So with that, I'm going to stop here and then focus on some of the material and some of the activities that we did in learning topic 2. Thank you very much.